First oil change of the day. So part of our oil change includes checking of steering, suspension, obviously anything makikitang issue nila bossing, ililista nila yan. Then they'll notify the customer. Ito naman Acura MDX. Dinala ni bossing, check front end, suspension daw niya may lumalagot of stabilizer links, is worn out na. Honda CR-V 2015, complain ni customer, meron daw tumatagas na langis sa ilalim ng sasakyan niya. So i-degrease muna natin, nilinisan para mabigyan natin si customer ng quote kung ano ba dapat ang ayusin. 2008 Honda Civic, customer complained the car hesitates under load. Check engine light is on, so we scanned for codes and found multiple misfires all across 4 cylinder. Plugs is napalitan na, so we tested the ignition coils this time and they are faulty. We replaced that and took it for a test drive to confirm the issue is gone. Din-wrap off naman to ni suking customer after niya pinick up yung first car niya na pinaayos niya sa atin to replace the brake pads and rotors on this one. Upon checking, nakita nga natin yung rear tire niya, yung sidewall is damaged from a broken coil spring ng strut assembly. Pag napalitan nga natin yung strut assembly, papa-warranty naman niya yung tires niya, so we can go back to us after, then we'll do the alignment on this car as well. Dito nga pala si Master Mechanic Dexter para bantayan si Pogi mag-oil change itong 2025 Honda CR-V. Na bago pa yung sasakyan, we only had to service the engine oil and filter. Isasabay na nga din pala nila bossing dito yung cabin air filter kasi madumi na rin yung lumang pagpapalitan. At naman ito, meron tayong Chevrolet Traverse for a quick oil change and tire repair na isiningit ni bossing ngayong araw. Naman tayo ditong Dodge Caravan, customer from La Ronge, yung complaint nga niya is the battery light is on and nagva-vibrate daw yung sasakyan sa highway. Serve nga ni bossing and we found out na madaming putik sa loob ng rim, so lilinisin natin ipabalance natin ang charging system and we found na yung battery is not holding charge anymore, so papalitan din natin ng battery yan today. Meron naman tayo dito isang 2021 Toyota Highlander na isisingit din natin today for a quick oil change and inspection. Order the new cabin filter kasi madumi na din ito at itatop up na ni bossing ko yung mga fluid at hanginan na din niya yung gulong bago niya ibalik yung sasakyan kay customer. We have an S5 as well, din wrap up ito para ipacheck ang steering, suspension, tsaka brake system nito. So yun nga mga bossing, Saturday evening, pagod na mga kalaban, pahinga muna tayo, may mga may iwan tayo sa sasakyan dito for the weekend, but we'll be back on Monday to finish this up. So yun muna, Cherish. Babang, babush.